It's really hard to pinpoint a specific best thing that happened in 2021 because there's been so many good things. First of all, doing Tidal Wave all day for Charry, that was insane. It almost gave me hypothermia, but I still exist now. The return of Fright Nights and Scarefest, obviously towards the end of the year, along with Oktoberfest, can't forget about that. And then obviously the new rides that have opened throughout the year as well, such as Crotch Drop, Storm Chaser, all of which have been brilliant. Black Mirror Labyrinth was okay, but overall it's been an incredible year, and here's to 2022.
The day is finally here. It's the 12th of April, which means UK theme parks around the country are reopening, and of course we are here at the home park, Thorpe Park.
It's been a long time coming. It's opening day, it's not February.
At the Alton Towers Resort.
I think the best thing for me this year is probably the fact that I've had a whole year now to go and explore places, whereas last year it was kind of hit and miss, on and off all the time, wasn't it? And this was my 1 year that I could just be like, right, I'm going to do as much as I can. And one of the standout highlights is probably, it's going to be a bit strange to say this, but the Gangster Granny the Ride opening day. It was really strange because we had a lot of grown men all really enthusiastic and happy about going on this kids ride, and it was probably the funniest day at a theme park I've ever had. And going on that ride, if you've been on it, you know what the ride is, you know what the experience is, but going on it with some people that you get on so well, and throughout all of lockdown you've been speaking to, and we all met up, and that's like the first time we all met and we realized we were exactly the same online and on the videos as we were in person, and it was just a really great collective sort of event, and I absolutely loved it. And also Chessington, feeding a tiger at Chessington is another big highlight this year. If you haven't done a VIP experience at Chessington, highly recommend it. 2021, bring on 2022, Meg.
About this year have to be the people I've met. I've had some amazing memories from some theme parks this year, so absolutely 100% down to the people I've met in the community, and also the opportunities that the theme parks have given me to take photos for them. So I'm very grateful for that, and I'm grateful to all the people I've met for making this year so good.